Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. Happening now, health leaders say the U.S. is seeing progress in its fight against the coronavirus. They say new coronavirus infections and hospitalizations are declining in nearly every state. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting the average daily case total now dropping by about 13% last week to pre-Thanksgiving levels. But with more than 30 states reporting cases involving COVID-19 variants, health officials say that now is not the time to let our guard down. They're continuing to push wearing face masks and social distancing. Meantime, the nation's vaccine rollout is ramping up. White House officials say the U.S. is averaging 1.3 million vaccine shots per day.
We'll continue to have supply increases. As you know, we're also beginning to ramp up an initial phase with the pharmacies. So we are confident that there is going to be an increase in supply.
Johnson & Johnson, in the meantime, getting closer to submitting for emergency use authorization for its vaccine. The drug maker plans to hand clinical trial results over to the FDA this week with the hope of getting approval by March. If approved, Johnson & Johnson expects to supply the U.S. with 100 million doses by the end of June. The Alabama Department of Public Health ramping up the state's vaccine rollout. The state will be dividing up to about 40,000 doses equally to 8 different regions of Alabama. Mobile County hospitals will be getting a total of some 5,000 extra doses next week. Spring Hill Medical Center says that USA Health will be responsible for taking delivery of the doses and getting them to the other hospitals. Health officials say that this push by the ADPH is great news for the area as Alabama now prepares to open eligibility to more groups.
The more doses we have to give, the more arms we'll be able to inoculate. 5,000 more than we were doing per week. So, if we could do that often, that adds up quickly.
With those extra doses arriving next week, Spring Hill says that they will be putting hundreds of extra appointments on their website today. And we have a link for you on our website at fox10tv.com. Teachers on both sides of the Mobile Bay will be getting COVID-19 vaccines this month. We're told that all school system employees, even part-timers and substitutes, will be eligible to get the Pfizer vaccine next week in Baldwin County. In a statement to Fox 10 News, Superintendent Eddie Tyler saying, in part, quote, "We are very blessed to have such good partners in our community. I believe that we are the only school system in Alabama that will have their own specialized private vaccination program." Now, those teachers have until Sunday to sign up. Meantime, the Mobile County Public Schools have partnered now with 2 hospitals. Beginning Monday, school employees can make appointments with Infirmary Health in Mobile. Teachers also can register with USA Health for its vaccination clinic at the Mobile Civic Center. February the 13th will be set aside for those employees.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Track report, and before 4:30 in the morning you can see the really thick clouds are streaming their way in from the north and west. Our sky today partly to mostly cloudy. We will get a minimal chance for rain, but the big chance comes in on Friday ahead of our next cold front, which is slicing right now through the nation's midsection. Expect that to get here tomorrow morning. Now the wind flow is really starting to pick up, and you're going to notice that it gets a bit more aggressive as that front gets closer, but the winds are going to be southerly. We're not going to deal with a north wind, so our high today will jump up to almost 70 degrees this afternoon. We hit 60 yesterday. We'll be up to about 70 today, and then the front comes in tomorrow to bring us rain and knock the temperatures right back down. So plan on a partly to mostly cloudy sky, small rain chance, and bigger chances for showers tomorrow. Weather headlines for this morning: a chilly start with temperatures in the 30s. This afternoon it's going to be warm and breezy with a cloudy sky, and then tonight the rain moves in. Let's time it out with our Fox 10 Futurecast. Notice as the day goes on, the clouds get much thicker. We start to see opportunities for rain, small ones, this afternoon and this evening, with the bigger chance not coming in until Friday. Here's how the next 7 days are going to stack up for you. We do see about a 10-degree drop from today to tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day with the biggest opportunity for showers. We end up going sunny again by Sunday. Notice weekend highs will be back in the mid to upper 50s, and we will have a few scattered shower chances as we progress into next week with highs in the mid to low 60s. We will talk much more about your forecast throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.